I heard the pump.
Yep.
Do it a few times because the lines might be a bit low on them. I'm not seeing anything coming out of the injector holes.
No.
I'm not seeing anything coming out of any hoses.
Yep.
Nothing leaking?
It's okay for an NA, but
Seems alright, yeah?
yeah.
Now, if you remember last time, we'd finished buttoning up the fuel system with the newly modified fuel rail and its mounting plate sorted, the fuel lines were primed, and we checked for leaks. This time, it's on to getting the ECU updated to run the newly installed individual throttle bodies, and we'll start this car up for the very first time with these ITBs. But first, the guys decided to play with putting the hoist up and down a few times, and to stop for a quick lunch break. Now it's time to calibrate the Toyota throttle position sensor with the ECU, load in the updated tune, and tell the Mega Squirt to use the TPS as load.
Oh, that's a bit better. We're in Venice.
So give us a throttle, a bit of a wobble. Is it?
Oh,
It's backwards. Have you calibrated it backwards?
Yep. Notice to shoot planes out there taking one.
That's better.
yeah, I just there we go. Properly variable TPS. So we're using throttle position as the load. I think I've loaded the tune yet though.
So we're at the point where hopefully we load a tune and it'll run. Maybe.
I did make the tune, so
So it will definitely run, or?
no guarantees. Yeah, so now I got throttle position as the load
Yeah.
axis. That was all I had to do. As soon as it connects.
Now it's time for that all-important, strenuous moment, the first start. Whoa.
What was that?
The exhaust rattle.
Nah, it's a hoist.
Yeah. Well, it started.
Depends on. That sounds safe, man. No, that's right. Neutral. Yep. Started before. Yeah. That was a back. Lot of smoke. Now I've got to go tomorrow. Next one's going to pop. Next one's going to pop. Okay.
Yep.
Eventually.
After some ECU fettling, a little trial and error, and Alex identifying an inverted output as the cause of the false starts, it fires up. this point, the car needs some proper tuning, a little bit of refinement here and there to get the individual throttle bodies even and idling nicely, and we'll catch up with how the car's going in a few weeks' time. Anyway folks, that's it for today's episode of Installing ITBs. If you enjoyed the content, you may also want to check us out on Facebook and Instagram as BEAVIS Motorsport and at our website at beavismotorsport.com. As always, if you enjoyed the video, why not give it a like, and if it's your first time here and you'd like to see more awesome MX-5 content, be sure to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, we'll see you next time.